Hey, what's good, people? Right, I'm super amped up because once again, my Footshop fam have looked out for me. And this time with these bad boys, we're going to be looking at one of the hypest releases of the year, but very deservedly so. The Nike Air Max 1 Patta Edition Waves, and in particular, the first color that's coming out of 4, the Monarchs, right? And these are absolutely ill. But firstly, let's check out the box because look at that. The artwork is on point. You know, every little detail from the Patta crew, they always bring it. Ever since 2008, which is when they first collaborated with Nike, and we all know how that went. And yeah, we've got these bad boys right here. So, to the shoes. Look at that. This shoe, ever since it first debuted in 1987, as designed by Tinker Hatfield, has really been one of the most iconic shoes that you can ever see on a person's foot. But it's one of those ones that's a staple. It's a classic. It's iconic. But look how Patta have flipped the script. This wave pattern all the way across the mudguard, the toe, all the way through into the medial. You know, I think it takes inspiration from the original piece that's here that you always see on the Air Max, but then they've extended it around. Let's get up close so you can check it out. Look at that color. How superb. That Monarch is just absolutely fantastic. And then you got the silver as well. And it's just such a clean look. And I always love how Patta segment the midsole. And here we have a 4-color pattern there as well. The materials are on point. The mesh is a wicked look. But the color. And then you've got the Patta logo there. And then on the insole as well. And it extends out. But these are absolutely superb. The little mini swoosh there, that's a nice little touch. Oh yes, absolutely superb. But the thing is, the Patta crew, they're generous as well. They decided to throw a little something extra in as well. So you got these. You got a spare set of laces as well for the color flip. But you also get this little bad boy here. And this takes it back to the OG essence of when you used to get these little trinkets. But what do we have here? You've got this charm bracelet and the flag of Suriname, which is where Edson and G originally, you know, their family originally hails from. But look at that. It's a wicked little touch in a little pouch. But anyways, the Patta crew stay killing it once again. And my Footshop fam, stay looking out. I hope you peeps get lucky, all right? Because for me, these bad boys are absolutely superb. But you have 3 other flavors to look forward to that are coming up over the next couple of months. So, hey, hopefully everyone's going to get lucky. But once again, yo, people, thanks for joining me. And if you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe below. And tell a friend to tell a friend, all right? One love and peace.